Number one, as you may have heard me say, get this bear market crash crap out of your head. This is the stock trading channel. This isn't the relationship channel, but anyone that's in your circle that is polluting your brain with this stock market crash and or bear market, there's no opportunity out there. Get them out of your life. Like treat them like they're in a cult or something. Distance yourself. That being said, my friends, I am lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen, and we're going to talk about the best ways to find the best plays in a quote-unquote bear market. Okay, now listen, the reason the sarcasm, the eye rolling, I think I rolled, I don't even know if I know how to roll my eyes. My daughter knows how to roll her eyes, that's for sure. But anyway, listen, obviously the S&P, the Dow Jones pulling back big. And real stocks, I mean, again, if you follow me on the channel, if you're on pre-market prep, I've talked about it. I mean, like swing trading, I've been a huge proponent of and practicer of swing trading for 14 and a half years of my trading career. Now, the Ukraine situation changed that. We've talked about that a lot. Just so much news flow overnight, market gaps down, market gaps up. Swing trading dead out there. Long-term holding, tough. I mean, listen, if you're looking at your 401k or your IRA, it's ugly. But day trading, like since Ukraine, since swing trading died off, since all the tech stocks went into free fall, Apple's down, Tesla's down, all of them are down. Everything's down. But day trading has just been incredible. I mean, some of the stocks recently, like ATIX, or ATXI, I mean, Lucy today, ADTX. I mean, we have a ton of runners today. Like right now, we got TOPS, worst stock in the world, just went green and spiked 30%. Okay. So the great thing about these times is very much reminds me of when I got started. So not going to spend too much time on my bio, but I got started in day trading because of a very similar situation to right now. Okay. 2006, 2007, 2008. Remember that was the finance crisis, the market, market crash, banks failing, General Motors failing, all these big companies failing, going bankrupt, Bear Stearns going to zero, Lehman Brothers failing, housing prices collapsing, interest rates exploding, market in the dumps, fuel prices exploding. Yeah, I remember back then I had a diesel truck in 2008. It's the first time diesel hit like $4 a gallon. Okay. A lot of parallels to 2007, 2008 to now. And much like back then, I'm looking at my long-term holdings in my IRA and my 401k. Like, man, these things are in the dump. I'm looking at the values of my real estate holdings, whether it be my own house, my second home, or my rental houses. I sold all my rental houses last year. Great call there. Well done. But back then I had rental houses. I had them all until like a year or so ago. And I'm looking at the values of those. And it's like, geez, all these safe investments are in the dumps. So I started day trading and found not instant, but very quick profitability trading crappy penny stocks. Okay. And again, every day we've had, just runner after runner after runner recently. I mean, listen, FNGR. I put out a buy alert on this the other day at $5. It went to $11. Okay. The stock is still up, from 60 cents to $7. I mean, it's still up 1,000%. Okay. I put out a buy alert on the fourth green day when it was already up 500% roughly, and it went to 11 later that day. Okay. That shows you the power of these stocks, or not 11, 9 plus, sorry. But anyway, I mean, that shows you the power of day trading and why we focus on these stocks. Now, what was special about FNGR? Nothing, really, nothing, except the three things I want you to look for. Okay. We want to look for small micro cap stocks. Okay. The smaller the market cap, the better, the bigger the potential for the move. We want to look at, you look at, FNGR's market cap is way higher right now at 300 million, but the float's 30 million shares. So if you go back to when it was trading at 70 cents, $21 million market cap. Okay. That's what you want. The entire back before this thing started running. And that's what you want to look for. Big gainers with small market cap. $21 million market cap. Now, again, it's exponentially higher now, but the stock's up 1,000%. Okay. So micro cap, small float stocks, smaller the float, the better. We've had some incredible runners, 800,000 float, 1 million float stocks that just continue to punish short sellers. And then you want catalysts. FNGR had some news, buzzy news, but look for something, that why. You'll hear me mention that a lot. Now, don't fall for the why. Don't believe the why. I mean, these are penny stocks. I mean, FNGR, hell, drop me a comment below. What is FNGR trading at the time you watch this video? I mean, listen, if you're watching this 2 weeks from when I recorded, it's probably back at $2, okay? Don't believe the hype. Don't fall for the hype, but look for a why, look for a catalyst. That way, it's something for traders to get excited about. And listen, I mean, you're on this channel. You're smart, okay? You're not an idiot, okay? But, hey, if idiots are going to trade stocks, we can capitalize on that. And people believe penny stock PRs all the day. I mean, Lucy is today, a decent low float runner today, setting up into the afternoon. They got sunglasses with like a Bluetooth speaker in it. And the stock's up 100%. Oh, I love penny stocks. Drop me another comment below. Do you think sunglasses with a built-in Bluetooth speaker warrants a 100% move in the stock? Anyway, but people believe it. I mean, listen, people probably believe it's like the next AirPods or something. Oh, it's Apple's going to buy them out, So look for a catalyst, but don't fall for the hype, okay? And then the last thing you want to do is you need speed, okay? And the best way to know about this stuff instantly is to get breaking news. Okay, breaking news is built into Instagram. I was looking at my Instagram. Built into StocksToTrade. And what breaking news is two guys with 25 years experience each. And what they're doing is they're filtering all the news so that you don't have to look at all the news. They're only posting actionable information, right here on INDO, LEVI. Okay, they were first on the Lucy news this morning. They nail all these over and over and over again. And again, what's great about breaking news, what I love about it is, number one, I mean, especially for you as a new trader, it's a huge money saver. Because what they're doing, they're watching, I don't even know how many paid data feeds, okay? They're watching all these paid data feeds. And then what they do is they just pluck out stuff that actually matters. So number one, you save a bunch of money, $100 a month, $150 a month, So some data feeds are $500 a month. A Bloomberg, I mean, listen, a Bloomberg's $24,000 a year, okay? So they monitor that, which saves you money. And then to me, it's not even the money. I could pay for the data feeds. It's the time. I mean, my thing is I'm really busy. I do mentoring, trading, I write, I do these videos, I do podcasts. I got a lot going on, and I like having a lot going on, but I don't have time to sit here and read 10 different data feeds. And at the end of the day, it's just a waste of time. Even if you got the time, like let's say you're retired and you're sitting good, why would you even want to sit there and try and read all this news and interpret it? Let breaking news do the work for you. So that being said, my friend, micro cap, small cap, hype, don't believe the hype, float rotation, big movers, stuff like Lucy, FNGR, ADTX. Every day we get a big mover. Focus on those catalysts. For now, swing trading will come back. And how will you know when swing trading is back? You'll know by subscribing to this channel and ringing that bell, because I'll keep you abreast, okay? I do, 2, 3, 4 videos a week. You'll know, because I'll let you know. Have a great day, my friends.